as well as...
Welcome to a new episode of Pathetic Mealtime. Today we're going to be learning how to make the coveted gourmet top ramen. All the ingredients you're going to be needing today is a top ramen, or maruchan, or any cheap soup that you can find at the grocery store. An egg. I prefer caged eggs. The pain adds a flavor. You can only get caged. Whiskey. Hennessy is my kind. 3 simple ingredients to get the most flavor out of your ramen. Your quick soup. Any brand will do. Top ramen. Containing 10 times the sodium your body needs, 6 grams of protein, and 2 of sugar. It could be the most healthy meal of the day. You're going to want to start turning on your candle stove. You're going to be needing a lot of heat for this water to boil. Get it to a good 200 degrees for the egg to be cooked thoroughly. Make sure you get it to a good 200 degrees so the egg cooks really well. Open the top ramen and pour that egg on top. Doesn't that look appetizing? Make sure you pour that water on top of that egg so it cooks a little bit faster. Doesn't that look good? Great. After a while, the eggs will begin to cook thoroughly. Make sure you mix and match. At this point, it's a good idea to start chugging your little juice. It enhances the flavor, gives you that little pep you need, and it just makes you forget a little faster. The top ramen mixes quite well, improving the flavor and the texture of the soup. It increases quite highly. As you can see, the soup has become a little bit more fluffier to it. A little less brittle. I wouldn't eat this if I'm gonna on a date because your breath is gonna stink awful. Delicious ramen. The flavor enhancer of the egg is quite delicious. You can taste it in the texture. Although the smell is quite pungent, the taste is actually very nice. Containing 10 times the sodium and only a third of your protein intake, this seems to be a good meal. Delicious. Make sure you chug that juice. You're going to be improving the flavor every sip you take. And that's it. Only 3 simple ingredients for the best meal.